Welcome to Style Arc's Loungewear Robe pattern customization tutorial. Here you will learn how to lengthen or shorten your loungewear robe. This pattern is for a skill level of medium. Here's what you'll need: a loungewear robe pattern, a ruler or a French curve ruler, erasable pen or tailor's chalk, pencil, paper, glue stick or sticky tape, and scissors. On your front pattern piece, draw a line perpendicular to the straight grain, just below the pocket marking. This will be your cut line. Repeat on the back pattern piece. To make your pattern extension piece, draw two parallel lines on scrap paper, spaced 5 cm apart or whatever length you want to add to your pattern. Next, cut your pattern along the lengthening shortening line and get ready to glue in your extension piece, making sure to match up the edges and grain lines. Now attach the original pattern piece to the extension piece, ensuring the straight grain line stays perfectly aligned for accurate shaping and fit. Use a ruler or a French curve for curved seams to smooth and neaten the lines of the extended pattern piece, blending any joins for a clean finish. Make sure that the straight grain line is maintained between the original pattern and the extension piece to keep the garment hanging and fitting correctly. Create a shortening line marked on your robe pattern piece. This is usually indicated across the length of the pattern. Using scissors, carefully cut the pattern exactly on the line to separate the pattern piece into two pieces. Tape or glue the overlap sections together, making sure the edges and grain lines stay aligned. Use a ruler or French curve ruler to smooth out your pattern piece. Make sure curves and straight lines flow naturally. Cut off any excess paper extending beyond the new shortened pattern edge. Nice work! Now that you know how to lengthen and shorten your loungewear robe, you're one step closer to the perfect fit. Have you found this tutorial helpful? Let us know in the comments and share it with a sewing friend who's making the loungewear robe too. We can't wait to see your finished garment, and don't forget to tag @Style Arc and use the hashtag #SA Loungewear Robe to show off your new make. Happy sewing from the Style Arc team.